Welcome to Chemistry Academy, Fajendar High School and Junior College, Wahur. Now, dear student, our current topic is chemical kinetics. Now, so far, in case of chemical kinetics, two video lectures we have discussed. Now, our first video lecture based on rate of reaction, average rate of reaction, and instantaneous rate of reaction. Now, second video lecture based on rate law. What is rate law expression or what is rate law? Now, third point of this topic, we are going to start order of reaction, and this order of reaction, it is related to rate law. Order of reaction, it is related to rate law. Now, what is rate law? So the rate of reaction depends upon concentration of only reacting species. The rate of reaction at that time directly proportional to molar concentration of reacting species. Simple, raised to the power. Okay, and this is called as rate law. Now, what is order of reaction? With 2 to 3 examples we will try to cover. किसको बोलते हैं अपन order of reaction? The sum of powers. What is order of reaction? The sum of powers of concentration terms in rate law expression. The sum of powers of concentration terms in rate law expression, that is called as order of reaction. For example, I am writing here A moles of A react with B moles of B to give C moles of C plus D moles of D. Now, in this case, the capital A, B, C and D are reactants and products, and small a, b, c, d, it is a coefficient. Okay. Now, write rate expression according to rate law. Rate expression according to rate law. How we will write here? So we will write here rate proportional to concentration of A raised to the power x into concentration of B raised to the power y. Now remove proportional, so we can say here rate is equal to K into concentration of A raised to the power x into B raised to the power y, and this x and y, it is calculated experimentally. And what is order of reaction? The sum of powers in concentration terms. The sum of powers of concentration terms in rate law expression, that is called as order of reaction. And order of reaction, it is represented by symbol n. So we can write here n is equal to x plus y. We can write here n is equal to x plus y, and this is called as order of reaction, the sum of power of concentration terms in rate law expression, and that is called as the order of reaction. Okay, so dear student, this is a simple concept. What is order of reaction? Now I am giving one example to you. Suppose I am saying H2 react with I2 convert into twice of HI. Experimentally, it is found that rate is equal to K into H2 into I2. Okay. Now my question, find out order of reaction. My question is find out order of reaction. Experimentally, rate is given. Rate is equal to K, concentration of H2 into concentration of I2. Find out order of reaction. क्या होगा यहाँ पर order of reaction? So we can write here n is equal to now concentration raised to the power 1. Concentration of I2 raised to the power 1, means we can say here 1 plus 1. What is overall order of reaction? 2. The sum of the power. Now individually अपन यहाँ बोल सकते the order of concentration of H2 is 1. Order of concentration of I2 is 1. Overall, the order of reaction is 2, 1 plus 1. Now, this type of questions are expected in MCQs. यहाँ MCQs में आपको क्वेश्चन पूछता है, एक रिएक्शन देता हूं, एक्सपेरिमेंटली उसका रेट देता और फिर वो बोलता फाइंड आउट द ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन in H2, order of reaction in I2 and overall order of reaction. Now order of reaction in H2 is 1. Order of reaction in I2 is 1. Overall order of reaction is 1 plus 1. Overall order of reaction is 2. So what is order of reaction? The sum of power of concentration terms in rate law expression, and this is called as order of reaction. Now, some characteristic or we can say key points are given related to order of reaction. Key points of order of reaction. Now, very first point, order of reaction is calculated experimentally. First characteristic और फर्स्ट की पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन क्या आएगा? ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन इज कैलकुलेटेड एक्सपेरिमेंटल बिकॉज सम ऑफ दिस पावर इज कॉल्ड एज ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन. और ये जो पावर्स है मैं कैसा फाइंड आउट करता? एक्सपेरिमेंटली फाइंड आउट करता. सो वी कैन राइट हियर फर्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक या की पॉइंट्स. ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन कैलकुलेटेड एक्सपेरिमेंटली. नाउ सेकंड पॉइंट, ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन मे बी फ्रैक्शन. Order of reaction may be fraction or integer. Order of reaction may be fraction or may be integer. Now suppose one example is given to you. Decomposition of acetaldehyde. Decomposition of acetaldehyde. Now acetaldehyde is CH3 CHO. When it decomposes, it gives CH4 plus CO. CH4 plus CO. Now experimentally find rate of reaction. Now experimentally it is find out rate is equal to K into concentration of acetaldehyde, okay, raised to the power 3 by 2. What is order of reaction? Raised to the power 3 by 2. What is order of reaction? So you will write here n is equal to 3 by 2. So order of reaction may be fraction. Order of reaction may be integer. Experimentally उसने मुझे दिया है कि rate is equal to K into concentration raised to the power 3 by 2. इसका order क्या है? Order is equal to 3 by 2. It may be fraction. So order of reaction calculated experimentally and order of reaction may be fraction or it may be integer. Now next point is here. Order of reaction may be 0. Order of reaction may be 0. ओके मैं ये पार्ट ड्रॉप करता हूं. ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन मे बी 0. नाउ सपोज वन रिएक्शन इज गिवन टू यू. एक आपको मैंने रिएक्शन दिया. नाउ NO2 plus CO convert into NO plus CO2. Now experimentally rate is given. Experimentally rate is given, that is rate is equal to concentration of NO2 raised to the power 2. What is order of reaction with respect to NO2 and order of reaction with respect to CO? What is my question? What is order of reaction with respect to NO2 and order of reaction with respect to CO? उसने मुझे रेट दिया हुआ है. एक्चुअली इसका रेट कैसा आना चाहिए था? इसका रेट आना चाहिए था रेट इज इक्वल टू K into concentration of NO2 into concentration of CO raised to the power कुछ भी रहने दो. लेकिन उसने मुझे यहाँ CO दिया क्या? In experimentally find out rate, CO is given to you. CO नहीं दिया, इसका मतलब CO का पावर क्या आता है यहाँ पर? 0. अब CO का अगर पावर 0 है so this factor get cancelled. मतलब रेट independent on that concentration. रेट उस पर डिपेंड रहेगा क्या? नहीं. तो इसका मतलब क्या हो रहा है कि CO का ऑर्डर क्या आ रहा है? वहां पर 0 आ रहा. बट NO2 का ऑर्डर क्या आएगा? 2. लेकिन CO का ऑर्डर क्या आ रहा है? 0. सो ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन मे बी 0. ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन मे बी 2. और इन रेयर केसेस ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन मे बी 3. रेयर केसेस. Okay, so what are the key points of order of reaction? Order of reaction calculated experimentally. Second point, order of reaction may be fraction or may be integral. This example is given to you. Order of reaction may be 2 second order or order of reaction may be 0. और जीरो का मतलब क्या रहेगा, रेट उस पर डिपेंड रहेगा क्या, नहीं, रेट इंडिपेंडेंट ऑन दैट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. सो ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन मे बी सेकेंड ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन मे बी 0. इन सम रेयर केसेस ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन मे बी 3. So what is order of reaction? The sum of powers. Okay, what is order of reaction? The sum of powers of concentration terms in rate law expression, which is calculated experimentally, and the sum of powers is called as order of reaction. Now I am giving one example. Try to solve it. Now, two questions are given to you. Question number 1 and question number 2. In those questions we will try to solve, and I will give you one homework. Now, my first question, for the reaction twice of NO plus twice of H2 convert into H2 plus N2 plus twice of H2O. The rate law is given. मुझे रेट लॉ दिया हुआ है. रेट इज इक्वल टू के concentration of NO raised to the power 2, concentration of H2 raised to the power 1. What is order of NO2 and H2, and what is overall order of reaction? What is order of NO2 and H2, and what is overall order of reaction? What will be my answer? Now we will write here order of NO2, because power is 2, then order of H2 1, because power is 1. Now what is overall order of reaction? Now overall order of reaction is equal to, what is overall order of reaction? It is equal to 2 plus 1, means this is third order reaction. What is overall order of reaction? 3. So simple questions may be asked in MCQs or in your very short type of questions. Okay, now come to the second reaction. Now in second case, chloroform react with Cl2 convert into CCl4 plus HCl. CCl4 plus HCl. Now my question, the reaction is first order in CHCl3. Reaction is first order in CHCl3 and half order in Cl2. Half order in Cl2. Write rate law expression. Write rate law expression and find out overall order of reaction. Find out overall order of reaction. Clear cut it is given. Reaction is first order in CHCl3. और first order मतलब इसका पावर क्या आएगा? 1. Half order in Cl2 मतलब Cl2 का पावर क्या आएगा? half. So what is rate according to rate law? So rate is equal to K. अब ये reactant पर डिपेंड रहता है. Concentration of CHCl3 raised to the power 1. No need to write. Then concentration of Cl2 raised to the power half, because it is given first order in chloroform CHCl3 and half order in Cl2. What is overall order of reaction? Yes, what is overall order of reaction? So now overall order of reaction n is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2, means overall order of reaction is 1.5. Overall order of reaction is 1.5. Now it is first order in CHCl3, half order in Cl2. So this is rate expression. Means here x and y is given. First order means x is equal to 1. Half order means y is equal to 1 by 2. X plus y. 1 plus 1 by 2 means 1.5. So this type of questions may ask in your entrance examination as well as in your section A MCQ or in short type of answer for 2 marks. Such type of question may be asked. Okay, now our next point and last 5 minutes, what is molecularity of reaction? Now, our next point is molecularity of reaction. Now, actually, molecularity refers to how many reactant molecules are involved in the reaction. मैं molecularity किसको बोलूंगा? How many reactant molecules? कोई भी reaction में कितने reactant molecules है? That is called as a molecularity. The number of reacting species in a chemical reaction, that is also called as the molecularity. If one reactant is there, it is unimolecular. Uni means one, unimolecular. If two reactant species are there, it is bimolecular. If three reacting species are there, it is trimolecular. So what is molecularity of reaction? Molecularity of reaction refers how many reacting molecules, reactants are involved in the reaction. For example, I am writing decomposition of ozone gas. Now ozone, it is O3, it convert into O2 plus half O. Half O2, it convert into O2 plus half O2, 1 O. Okay, now here how many ozone, it is O3. How many ozone molecule is there? 1. So the molecularity of reaction is, what is molecularity of reaction? Molecularity of reaction is 1. It is unimolecular reaction. Molecularity of reaction is 1. It is unimolecular reaction. Now suppose second example. I am writing here decomposition of NO2. Decomposition of NO2. It decomposed to give choice of NO plus O2. Now all are in gaseous state. All are in gaseous state. My question, find out its molecularity. Now my reactant is NO2 and what is molecularity? Number of reacting species. अब मेरे पास में NO2, लेकिन कितने NO2 है? How many NO2 are there? How many NO2 are there? 2. So what is the molecularity? What is the molecularity? It is 2, means it is called as bimolecular reaction. It is 2 means this reaction, it is a bimolecular reaction. Now suppose it is given 1A plus 2B convert into C plus D. Find out the molecularity of this reaction. Now 1A means 1 plus 2B means 2. 1 plus 2. The molecularity of reaction is 3. 3 means trimolecular. So the number of reacting species, how many reactants are involved in the reaction, that is called as the molecularity of reaction. Now what are the key points of molecularity of reaction? क्या आएंगे key points of molecularity of reaction? So सबसे पहला पॉइंट आएगा key points में, molecularity of reaction, it is calculated theoretically. Molecularity of reaction, it is calculated theoretically. मैं just count करूंगा कितने reactants है, उस पर से मैं define करूंगा. Molecularity is 1, 2 और 3. It is calculated theoretically. Molecularity is always integer. Molecularity is always, it is integer, मतलब whole number. It is integer. Now third point, molecularity cannot be zero. Molecularity cannot be zero. अब zero का मतलब होता है no reactant. अब अगर reactant नहीं रहा तो reaction होगा क्या? Possible ही नहीं है. Okay, so molecularity cannot be zero. Molecularity is integer. 1, 2, 3. Molecularity can be calculated theoretically. Now just before 5 minutes we have discussed order of reaction. Order of reaction can be calculated experimentally. Order of reaction may be integer, may be fraction. Order of reaction may be zero. What is the difference between order of reaction and molecularity of reaction? लिख सकते हैं? Now this is homework. Distinguish between molecularity of reaction and order of reaction. Now this one homework is given to you, distinguish between order of reaction and molecularity of reaction. Now last 2 minutes, one question. We will try to compare molecularity and order of reaction in one question. Hi student, this question is given to you. The rate law of elementary reaction, twice of NO2 convert into twice of NO plus O2. Twice of NO2 convert into twice of NO, okay, NO plus O2 is found to be, now here rate is given, is found to be, rate is equal to K, concentration of NO2 raised to the power 2. Find its order and molecularity. Find its order and molecularity. Now this question is given to you, right? What is order of reaction and what is molecularity? Now since rate expression, is, now rate is equal to K into concentration of NO2 raised to the power 2. The rate expression is, which shows power 2 means reaction is second order. Power 2 means reaction is second order, and two reacting species, two reacting species means we can say twice of NO2. Two reacting species means twice of NO2 means reaction is, yes, what is your reaction? Reaction is bimolecular. Molecularity is bi means 2. Reaction is bimolecular. So this reaction is second order, power 2, and two reacting species means the molecularity is 2, means the reaction is bimolecular. Such type of question may ask in your paper. Okay, such type of question are also given in your textbook. Just go through your textbook. So dear student, what is order of reaction and what is molecularity of reaction? So the order of reaction, the sum of power of concentration terms to which, yes, the sum of power of concentration terms in rate law expression. And what is molecularity? Molecularity refers to how many reacting species are present, involved in the given reaction. Order of reaction calculated experimentally, molecularity calculated theoretically. Order of reaction may be integer or may be fraction. Molecularity is integer. Order of reaction may be 0. Molecularity cannot be 0. Okay, now this is all about related to rate law, order of reaction and your molecularity. Now in next lecture, the simple concept we will discuss, what is rate determining step, what is complex, what is elementary of reaction, okay, and some questions numerical based on rate determining step, which is important, and elementary of the reaction. Thank you.